doesn't smoke. Neymar Jr. smokes. Karim Benzema doesn't smoke. Erling Haaland doesn't smoke. Mario Balotelli smokes. Mohamed Salah doesn't smoke. Sergio Ramos doesn't smoke. Son Heung-min doesn't smoke. Gianluigi Buffon smokes. Harry Kane doesn't smoke. N'Golo Kante doesn't smoke. Ronaldo smokes. Ansu Fati doesn't smoke. Luka Modric smokes. Harry Maguire doesn't smoke. Gareth Bale doesn't smoke. Zinedine Zidane smokes. Kaká doesn't smoke. Diego Maradona smokes. Andres Iniesta doesn't smoke. Virgil van Dijk doesn't smoke. Emiliano Martinez doesn't smoke. Zlatan Ibrahimovic smokes. Please subscribe the channel. İlkay Gundogan doesn't smoke. Riyad Mahrez doesn't smoke. Gerard Piqué smoke. Granit Xhaka doesn't smoke. Thomas Muller smoke. Thibaut Courtois doesn't smoke. Sergio Aguero doesn't smoke. Yassine Bounou doesn't smoke. Lionel Messi smokes. Sadio Mane doesn't smoke. Romelu Lukaku doesn't smoke. James Rodriguez doesn't smoke. Eden Hazard smokes. Cristiano Ronaldo doesn't smoke. Hakim Ziyech doesn't smoke. Ederson doesn't smoke. Vinicius Jr. doesn't smoke. Enzo Fernandez doesn't smoke. Paul Pogba smoke. Angel Di Maria doesn't smoke.